This is crazy. This is crazy. Today, I will be reviewing the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint. Finally, I am reviewing the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint. The Maybelline Superstay is a 24-hour skin tint that will give a skin-like finish, but apparently it has coverage, so I cannot wait to see that. And I got 355 per usual. All my Maybelline products are 355 or 356. It's pretty liquidy. I've seen a lot of people liking it, so I hope I'm gonna like it. I did prime my face using the Maybelline Fit Me primer. Okay, let's start with one drop. I am blending this out using my She Glam foundation brush. I cannot wait to see how this is gonna hold up on my skin because I have oily skin. Okay, coverage. I was not expecting that for skin tint. Okay. It's already going very well. Remember, I had a dark spot here. I cannot see it. Okay, and it's not too glowy. It's just a natural glowy finish. Okay, Maybelline. Gonna put some on my forehead. Not too much though, because I don't like to put too much on my forehead. Just so we can see side by side. The finish is so pretty. Blends very easily. And this is 1.5 drops, let's say, right? For half of my face. I am impressed. I'm not even exaggerating. I've never experienced a foundation that is such a skin-like finish. Well. But it is perfect for summer. Now I understand why people were raving about this. It looks great. I'm going to finish my face, and we're also going to do a wear test. Currently it's 12:40, but I cannot wait to see how this is gonna hold up. But for now, you can even leave your face like that and you look great. This is crazy. This is crazy. I like it so far. It's now 1:30, meaning that I have this foundation or skin tint on my face for almost an hour. I will go do my things and come back. But for now, my skin looks phenomenal. I kid you not. Like the way you see it on the screen, that's how I look in real life. It looks stunning. I am so impressed by it. I'm not gonna lie. And I cannot wait to see if it's gonna deliver on the hour test, you know, on the wear test, on the hour test. What? On the wear test. I cannot wait to see how this is gonna, you know, hold up on my skin, on my oily skin. Anyways, we'll see. So 1:30, and we'll be back in a couple of hours to see how it looks. We are back. It's 6:30, so it's been almost 6 hours. To be honest, I'm surprised. First of all, I'm shook because my face doesn't look as oily as with other foundations or skin tint. I am so surprised. I mean, usually at the 4 or 5 hour mark, my T-zone gets pretty much oily and shiny and I have to blot away the shine. It's looking so great. I think I look stunning. I can see slightly my smile lines, but not as deep as when I'm wearing regular foundations or other skin tints. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. I'm so impressed. I don't have anything else to say. I'm gonna stop the video now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Join the squad. Come on now. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you all so much, and I will see you all on my next one.